Logic 0, example 32.5, an overly long proof using indirect proof. Okay, so let's look at this one as a problem. And we're trying to derive D only if B, and we're thinking indirect proof. So let's see, we've seen things like this before, so let's get this out of the way. Simplification of line 1, and then doing C only if B and A only if B, line 1 by commutativity, and then simplifying that. Okay, so we get lines 3 and 5. And okay, so that looks pretty good. And let's just see if indirect proof works here by negating the conclusion that we're trying to derive. And let's see what happens. So on line 6, we can do implication, and we can do De Morgan, and let's see, simplification there, and then we can get D through double negation. And then we can get B or C from line 2. So that, this D, looking at line 10 here, a modus ponens gives us B or C. And we're trying to get to a contradiction, so we want to keep that in mind. And let's see. We can do not B and not D from line 8, like commutativity. And then do not B from line 12, simplification. And 14, we can get C from line 11 and lines 13 by disjunctive syllogism. All right, and then that brings in line 5 so that we can get B from line 5 and 14 by modus ponens. And then we have line 13. So we can do B and not B, lines 13 and 15, conjunction introduction, and we have our contradiction. And so we can conclude here, not D only if B, lines 6 through 16 by indirect proof. And then in line 18, we get our conclusion that we are seeking by double negation. And we're done. And I think the proof in the textbook is a little cleaner. So, take a look at that.